Listen, I already know that you're tired. I'm tired too. And now is not the time to sit back, complain, and whine and figure out, oh, what am I doing? How can I do more to get things done? It's simply just time to delegate. You're stressed out, you ain't getting enough sleep, you ain't eating right, you ain't able to enjoy things that you want to do. I understand. I'm tired. Everybody tired. My dog is tired, okay? But now is not the time to complain about the things of the past. 2024 is over. What are we doing differently this year? Delegating, baby. Okay? Delegate is the definition of delegation. Entrust to another person, typically one who is less senior than oneself. The power delegated to him must never be misused. And that's on period. Google. What can we actually do this year that is going to change our lives in a delegating way? So many of you are thinking right now, Ashley, how the hell am I going to delegate? What can I delegate? I don't have the money to delegate. And honey, delegate what? I didn't see my mama delegating. I didn't see my auntie delegating. I didn't see my grandma delegating. I didn't see my godmother delegating. So what are you talking about delegating? Like, isn't that just for rich people? It's not just for rich people. Last year was extremely eye-opening for me, meaning 2024. I was already at the brink of another mental breakdown because I just, life be lifing. I'm a mother. I'm a wife. I have a household. I have 2 businesses that I'm trying to run. And guess what? I'm the only person doing these businesses. And how am I supposed to grow as a person if I'm letting myself be stressed out, if I'm doing every little thing? Like, how is that even possible? That's not how businesses grow. That's not how operations grow. That's not how life grows. You're going to have to delegate. Even God delegated. Okay, even God delegated. So what makes us think that we can't delegate? And I know that you guys feel me. A lot of the things that we think that are deemed as, okay, well, this is my house, so I'm going to just take care of the household things. I'm going to just wash my clothes. I'm going to just do this and that. No. If there are times where you need help, then it's time to delegate. If this is how you're feeling right now, you're overstressed, you're overworked right now, then this is your sign that you need to be trying to delegate. So what are some of the things that you can delegate right now? Managing personal emails. You can hire a virtual assistant through Upwork or Fiverr. They're really not that expensive, to be honest with you. Planning meals. You can hire a personal chef, or they do have local meal plan preps all over the place. All different companies that you could order meal prep planning for yourself and for your family. Household help. My number one thing. Okay. I have a cleaning lady that comes every single 2 weeks. She cleans my house from top to bottom. Hire a cleaner. Get your groceries delivered. There are plenty of different companies that will deliver your groceries to you. Yes, it's not just Instacart. We do have other ones as well. So plan on getting your groceries delivered. And I did not know, and I may be, living under a rock, but y'all, they have people that can come and take your laundry and clean it and dry it and fold it for you. Yes, I said fold it. Companies that will come pick up your dirty laundry off of your porch and wash it in the same day and dry it and professionally fold it. They have it. Why are we not using this? Especially for those that work from home. Why are we not utilizing these things? Like, why? Gift buyers. People that can go out here and buy gifts for you. Oh, girl, I forgot it was your birthday. Call the gift buyer to come. And they have that. I've reached a point where I know that I have to start delegating a lot of things in my business. For the longest time, I have been the social media manager, the content creator, everything with my hair product line here, Healthy MF and Hair, and me being the entrepreneur and being the content creator influencer, the Ashley Naz. I'm doing everything by myself. But one thing I said, okay, this year I'm not playing around. I've already hired a virtual assistant. She's amazing so far. And she helps me out with my emails through my customers. She handles the comments on my social media page, on my product's social media page. She does those. So hiring a virtual assistant whether that's for personal reasons or for your business, is another thing that will take your life to the next level. You can also hire someone to plan and book your travel. That's another thing. So use these virtual assistants to their advantage. They basically will do everything that you don't feel like doing virtually, whether that's through email, calling places, booking appointments for you, scheduling different things. A virtual assistant will do that. And some of them, if you go on Fiverr and Upwork, you can hire some for as low as $7 an hour, $10 an hour just to start out. And I'm telling you, just try it. Just trust me. Another thing that I'm going to tap into this year is a personal organizer. I've looked online and there are companies that will come and organize your house. Now, this is not the same as cleaners. These are people that will organize your pantry, organize your closet, organize your shoe collection, organize your kids' room so that it's labeled and organized and you know where things go. That's another thing, because yeah, we could do that, but just think about how much time it's going to take for us to do all of those things. And it's not us. Like, that's not what we do. I'm not about to waste my time doing the things that I know I'm just not good at. That's one thing that I've learned, honestly. I'm going to stick to the good things that I know how to do, that I'm best at. So that's how I'm going to excel in my personal life as a woman and as an entrepreneur. I don't want to do everything. Don't wait around and say, Ashley did say to do this, but I don't know if I can. Yes, you can. Just do it and see how you feel. It's going to, I don't know what it is, but it just gives you something. Like, it just gives me something when I can have my groceries delivered, when I can have my house clean. My mental health just skyrockets because I just feel so much better. You can't be around no house that's unclean. You're not going to feel right, especially if you got kids and a beautiful dog like I do. Comment below and leave me a few things. How are you going to delegate? What's your first step to start delegating? And what is the first thing that you will start delegating? Because if it's not nothing else this year, we're delegating everything. I might even delegate someone to hold this microphone. I might even delegate someone to hold up this chair. Okay? I'm talking about delegating everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.